Upgrading your windows is one of the most valuable improvements you can make to your Dallas home. New windows promise better energy efficiency, improved comfort, and enhanced curb appeal. But there's one critical factor that determines whether you truly enjoy those benefits: professional installation. Even the highest quality windows won't perform as intended if they're not installed correctly. In a climate like Dallas, where intense summer heat, sudden storms, and seasonal temperature swings are common, expert installation makes a measurable difference. Here's why it matters. Protecting against Dallas heat. Dallas summers are long and hot. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce solar heat gain and keep cooled air inside. However, gaps or improper sealing during installation can undermine those benefits. Professional installers ensure accurate measurements for a precise fit, proper insulation around the frame, tight weather stripping and sealing, correct flashing to prevent air and water intrusion. When installed correctly, your windows create a secure thermal barrier that helps maintain stable indoor temperatures, reducing strain on your air conditioning system. Preventing air leaks and draft. Air leaks are one of the biggest causes of energy waste. Even small openings between the window frame and wall can allow conditioned air to escape. Professional window installation eliminates these hidden problem areas. Installers use high-quality sealants and insulation materials to close gaps that might otherwise go unnoticed. In Dallas, where cooling costs can spike during peak summer months, preventing air leakage translates directly into lower utility bills and greater daily comfort. Guarding against storm damage. Dallas weather can change quickly. Heavy rain, high winds, and strong thunderstorms are part of the region's climate. Improperly installed windows may allow water to seep into your walls during storms, leading to mold growth, interior wall damage, structural deterioration. Professional installers understand how to properly integrate flashing and waterproof barriers to protect your home from moisture intrusion. This added layer of protection is especially important in storm-prone areas. Ensuring smooth operation. Windows should open and close smoothly, lock securely, and remain aligned over time. Poor installation can lead to operational issues such as sticking, shifting, or difficulty locking. Professionals ensure that each window is level, square, and properly anchored. This precision not only improves functionality but also enhances long-term durability. Maximizing energy efficiency. Modern windows often include advanced features like double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. However, these technologies can only perform effectively if the window is correctly installed. Improper installation can compromise insulation performance and reduce the overall efficiency of the unit. Professional installation ensures your windows deliver the energy savings you expect. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. If installation errors cause damage or performance issues, warranties may be voided. Working with experienced installers protects your investment and provides peace of mind. Improving home value. Window replacement is a significant home improvement. Proper installation enhances not only performance but also appearance. Clean lines, tight seals, and precise finishing details contribute to a polished look. In Dallas's competitive real estate market, buyers notice quality workmanship. Long-term performance and peace of mind. Windows are a long-term investment. Professional installation ensures they perform reliably for years to come. From preventing air leaks and water intrusion to maintaining structural stability, expert installation supports every benefit new windows are designed to provide. The right choice for Dallas homes. In Dallas, where climate conditions demand durability and efficiency, professional window installation is not just recommended, it's essential. By choosing skilled installers, you protect your investment, enhance comfort, and ensure your new windows perform at their best in every season.